Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about Kava coin. Now, straight to the point, we see a potential of 2 to 3x to happen on this coin within the matter of like few weeks from now on. Now, first things first, this coin has been moving in a different way. So, basically, since the breakdown from the local support zone here, we have been forming some kind of cup and handle pattern. Now, let's get one thing straight as well. Patterns, they don't mean that they're like bulletproof methods, but what patterns give us, they give us a psychological background of a coin or like a structure. So as always, we are expecting now to form a handle here, bounce from 200 EMAs, 100 EMAs, and of course a breakout from here. And then once we see a clean breakout, this would be our entry zone. So we see a breakout, maybe some kind of retest, and after this successful retest, we are going to enter into the position and 2x easily. So this might take some time on a daily time frame, but before all this movement, let's go and take a look at it on the hourly 4 hour time frame actually. Now, despite all the markets crashing, hardly crashing, Kava coin has been just gliding on its own way. So, despite again markets crashing, Kava has been going in a sideways movement, and nothing much have been happening on Kava coin on 4 hour time. So, let's take a look on hourly time frame as well. Now, hourly time frame, basically same thing. We have had some kind of like a liquidity movement, both sides, to lower sides and to the upper sides, but nothing much of it. Now let's go on 30-minute time frame, much smaller. Now on 30-minute time frame, we are seeing two possible things. First of all, a smaller bearish trend which is currently forming here on 30-minute time frame. So these are the zones, and basically price just gliding inside its zone. Now we are going to wait for a possible breakout or a slight breakdown from this zone, but of course we are waiting for a breakout because on a bigger time frame we are waiting for a proper handle to form. So we are going to look for this zone here, which is going to be $0.48, and as soon as we see some kind of breakout from here, we would enter into a long position, but the stop loss would be slightly bigger because of sizing. So the size here should be very small, and only because we might see some liquidity grab here as well to lower zones again, because Kava coin is just on its own gliding sideways movement, lots of liquidity grabs here you can see. So we have to be prepared for anything. Now this is going to be the setup that we are going to wait for. So let's wait for a clean breakout. As soon as we see maybe 0.5% of capital would be invested into the first position, sorry, the first entry zone, the second entry zone would be somewhere here. So let's put those line, not reds, but like yellow, so they can be seen properly as well. This would be the second entry zone for us, so $0.47 on 30-minute time frame, and the last one would be here. And of course, the stop loss would be somewhere near. Actually, I think this would be a proper stop loss for us on 30-minute time frame, because eventually, if we break out from here and we fall as low as this second entry zone, then price will most likely go to lower zones and just break back to this like bearish trend until we just glide back to the upper zone. So there is a chance of seeing some kind of like a breakout. Price will just fall back down, back inside the bearish trend, and then bounce up. Not particularly from this zone, of course, because this zone it's this is not the zone. This is just daily time frames handle curve. But yeah, this might happen as well. So this pattern. All we have to do is wait for a proper breakout, and as soon as we get it, our 30-minute time frame, it's safe to say that we can long this coin until this zone here, which would be $0.55. So that's it for the Kava coin. On a daily time frame, we are pretty bullish. and there is still a lot of like room to make some gains. Altcoin still hasn't started, in our personal opinion. Don't take it as a fact. And from all-time highs, this price is like 10x away. So let's see what will happen in the upcoming year. As always, trade safe. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.